We're having an open house for people to come and explore and see what anthropology is about. So anyone who comes to this open house today will have the opportunity to see archaeology labs, physical anthropology labs, classrooms, artifacts that we have excavated in the field, what we study, and we have labs for animal skeletons. We call those faunal assemblages. We have a variety of ceramics and lithics, and these are the types of things that we find in the archaeological record, and that's what people get to see when they come here. We have archaeologists here at Florida State who have been deeply focused on the time period of Native American and Spanish contact, what we call the mission period.
Tied in with rope around this bit.
Undergraduates do get the opportunity to get their hands dirty and to actually hold artifacts and to work with them, to excavate. We are very much a field-oriented discipline and department. We are always offering field school opportunities for students. Any student who wants to pursue a career in anthropology, they should come and see us and come visit us in the department.